It's simple to overlook our health in the fast-paced environment we live in today. The less than optimal lifestyle can be influenced by everyday stress, bad eating patterns, and the lack of exercise. But it's never too late to change course and put our well-being first. In this video, we look at the best manual guide for creating a healthy lifestyle that enhances not just our physical health, but also our mental and emotional health. Before diving into the specifics of how to build a healthy lifestyle, it's important to understand why it matters. A healthy lifestyle not only increases our lifespan, but also enhances the quality of our lives. When we prioritize our health, we have more energy, a clearer mind, and a positive outlook on life. This can lead to better relationships, increased productivity, and a more fulfilling life overall. Building a healthy lifestyle is one of the most important steps you can take towards a long, happy, and fulfilling life. But with so many conflicting opinions and fad diets out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. In this video, we will be diving into the ultimate guide to building a healthy lifestyle, covering everything from healthy eating habits to developing a consistent exercise routine and much more. So, let's get started. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet. The balanced diet is crucial to maintaining overall health and wellness. It is essential to understand the importance of consuming a variety of food groups that provide essential nutrients and energy to the body. A healthy diet should include a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By eating a balanced diet, you will be providing your body with the necessary nutrients to function properly, improve digestion, boost the immune system, and prevent chronic diseases. When it comes to eating a nutritious diet, it is important to focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. This means choosing fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats instead of processed foods that are high in sugar and unhealthy fats. It's also important to be mindful of portion sizes and to limit sugary drinks and snacks. Incorporating a variety of food groups and following a balanced diet will not only improve physical health, but it will also improve mental health, energy levels, and overall well-being. By taking control of what you put into your body, you are making a conscious effort to invest in your health and improve your quality of life. Start small by making simple changes to your diet, such as adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals, or reducing the amount of added sugars in your diet. Over time, these small changes will lead to significant improvements in your health and help you build a strong foundation for a healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly. One of the most important aspects of building a healthy lifestyle is exercise. You may maintain a healthy weight, lower your chance of developing chronic diseases, and enhance your mental health by engaging in regular physical exercise. Exercise is also a great way to boost your energy levels, increase your focus and productivity, and relieve stress. The key to making exercise a regular part of your routine is finding an activity that you enjoy and making it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. There are many different types of exercise that you can choose from, including cardio, strength training, yoga, and more. It's vital to start cautiously when exercising if you've never done it before. Then gradually increase the length and intensity of your exercises. You don't need to train like an athlete to see the benefits of exercise. Even a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. It's also important to remember that exercise is a long-term commitment, not a quick fix. To see real results, you need to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. So, make a plan to exercise regularly, stick to it, and you'll soon start to feel the positive effects of your efforts. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or taking a yoga class, make exercise a priority in your life, and you'll soon reap the rewards. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is critical for your overall health and well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to a host of health problems, including fatigue, weight gain, depression, and decreased cognitive function. Aim to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and stick to a consistent sleep schedule. It can be tempting to stay up late and work on projects, or spend time with friends, but prioritize your sleep for long-term benefits. Additionally, create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down and prepare for sleep. This could involve reading, meditating, or doing some light stretching before bed. Avoid using electronic devices before bed, as the blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep patterns. Try to create a peaceful and relaxing sleeping environment by investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and keeping your room cool and dark. By making sleep a priority, you'll be setting yourself up for success in all aspects of your life. Managing stress. This is a critical component of building a healthy lifestyle. Stress is inevitable, and it can be a major barrier to leading a healthy life. To manage stress, it is essential to adopt effective stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. Regular exercise is also a proven stress reliever. Engaging in physical activity can help to reduce cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone. Moreover, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can boost your energy levels and mental clarity, which will help you to tackle stress more effectively. Additionally, setting realistic goals and learning to prioritize tasks can also help to reduce stress levels. Making time for yourself, engaging in hobbies or interests, and taking breaks when you feel overwhelmed can all make a significant difference. It is also essential to avoid overloading yourself with too many responsibilities and commitments, as this can quickly lead to burnout. Building a healthy lifestyle involves finding a balance between work and play, and finding ways to incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine. Building and maintaining strong relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships is another important aspect of building a healthy lifestyle. Relationships with friends, family, and significant others can provide us with emotional support and help us to cope with life's challenges. It's important to remember that building strong relationships takes effort and time. Here are some tips to help you build and maintain strong relationships. Communication. Make sure to listen actively to what others have to say. Express yourself clearly, and be open to hearing others' opinions. Be supportive. Be there for your loved ones when they need you, and offer them comfort, encouragement, and a shoulder to lean on. Spend quality time together. Whether it's going on a hike, cooking dinner together, or just reading a book, it's important to carve out time for those closest to you. Show appreciation. A simple thank you or expression of gratitude can go a long way in making someone feel valued and appreciated. Forgive and move on. Relationships can get tough, but it's important to forgive and let go of any grudges or resentments in order to move forward and maintain a positive relationship. It's also important to remember that relationships can be a source of stress. It's important to manage this stress and work to maintain positive relationships in order to reap the full benefits of strong relationships in our lives. Whether it's through therapy, talking with a trusted friend, or practicing self-care, it's important to address any relationship stress in a healthy way. In conclusion, building a healthy lifestyle is a journey that requires commitment and dedication. It takes time to develop these habits and make them a part of your daily routine. But with patience and persistence, you will start to see positive changes in your life. Be proud of yourself and keep pushing forward. Together, we can create a better, healthier, and happier future for ourselves and those around us. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more informative video. And we will see you in our upcoming video. Stay safe and keep healthy.